Hello and welcome to Spareka YouTube. Today we're in the world of television and I'll explain how to install a wall mount. To start, subscribe. For questions or comments, leave them in the comments below the video. Come on, let's get started on the assembly. So, we will start by installing the TV wall mount. So, we therefore need the 4 screws with the washers that are provided with. So there, we have already drilled the wall with suitable dowels according to the support you will have. We have achieved the desired level, and now we will be able to proceed with the installation of the wall mount as we have reached the necessary milestone in our progress. After screwing in the 4 screws, level it and tighten it firmly with a screwdriver or a drill for secure installation. The kit consists of a wall mount that we recently installed and also 2 hooks like this one that will need to be installed on the TV using small spacers that are here and also screws with small washers. These hooks, along with the wall mount, are crucial for securely mounting the TV and ensuring stability and safety during use. You will also have the ability to modify the television's positioning by utilizing an additional screw and a small plastic butterfly nut that is situated in this location. Here you have the adjustment system that will enable you to adjust the tilt of the television. Once you have made the appropriate adjustment, all you need to do is screw this part to secure the setting you have selected. After, you will need to screw the screw located underneath to lock the whole thing so that the TV cannot come loose on its own. To set up the TV, of course, you need 2 people. Get help to avoid getting hurt. There, I asked for my assistant's help. Come on, let's go. So, we have observed together the step-by-step procedure of installing a mirror support on your television set, ensuring proper alignment and stability for an enhanced viewing experience. So naturally, there are multiple models to verify if your TV is compatible. Type the reference of your TV in the search bar and you will have all the models of TV mounts compatible with your device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If that's so, thumbs up and see you next time on Spareka.